The Goose Girl story for kids. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. One day, her mother, the queen, told her that she had fixed her marriage with a prince. Queen said to the princess, "The son of our friend King of Shazama is a wonderful prince. You will be very happy with him. You must leave for Shazam immediately to meet the king and the prince. Take your maid with you and take this handkerchief. Anytime you feel confused, keep it close to your heart and you will know what to do." Princess replied, "Yes, mother." The princess set forth for her journey with her maid. But on the way, the maid changed her behavior entirely. The maid said to the princess, "I refuse to serve you anymore. Now onward on you will be my maid and I will be the princess. And if you tell anyone about this you will be cursed. Give me your clothes and possession right now." The princess was gently hurried and so she agreed. As tears rolled down her cheeks, she wiped them with her mother's handkerchief. Suddenly it spoke to her. If the queen were to know of the maid's behavior, she will be heartbroken. Hence, the princess decided never to tell anyone about her true identity and went along as a maid to Susa. When they reached Sozam, the maid decided to get rid of the princess. Maid told the king, "I do not mean my maid anymore. You can assign her some other job." The minister assigned the princess to work at a geese farm with a man named Karkin. It was her job to take care of the geese. The princess learned everything about her job and became a very good goose girl. One day, Karan and the princess got into a fight and Karkin went to complain about her to the king. Karkin said to the king, "I do not wish to keep the goose girl. She is horrible and strange things happen around here all the time." King replied, "Is that so? Let me investigate this matter myself." The king started following the princess. He noticed that she was a sincere and sweet girl and there was nothing wrong with her. He also thought there was extreme sadness about her. So he decided to talk to her and he asked the princess, "Dear girl, is there a secret close to your heart?" Princess, "Yes, your majesty, there is. But alas, I cannot share it with anyone because no one should know about it." King, "Why don't you tell it to the big boulder over there? It can't tell anyone anything." The girl agreed and told the boulder everything. But she did not know that the king was hiding behind the boulder and heard everything. The next day, the king went to the corner and summoned the maid and told her the story of the princess and the maid and asked her what punishment would be fit for such a maid. The maid did not realize that it was her own story and came up with her hardest punishment and said, "Such a person should be flogged and sent away from the kingdom forever, your majesty." King, "Correct. Gods, take this impostor away. She has been living amongst as a princess while the real princess has been toiling as a goose girl. Flog this liar and banish her from the kingdom." The girls immediately grabbed the maid and took her away. That night the king threw a gullible and celebrated the real princess as a son ought to be. Moral of the story: people who take up another person's identity are wrong and they finish up making trouble for themselves. Thank you, everybody.